you?
No.
He likes it. Tomorrow. His life. You do a commercial. Michelob. He's had enough. Look. Looking kind of weird.
He's drunk.
Stop. It's not
I
good,
think
Bob.
he's had enough. Too close. We can't too close. No more for you. Bird's buzzed.
And regurgitated.
What does he do? What's he get? He's not getting any. Just look at his thing.
But he hated it.
I don't know, man. He seems to be liking it. That's enough now, you piggy. Let me kiss. Fresh. I think he likes it a little too much.
We're going to hut. We're going to hut.
Wanna go to hut? Wanna go to hut? Oh, tail. Doesn't like. Say meow meow.
Meow 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 meow.
Meow meow. I gotta get that clock. There's a meow meow clock.
We're going to hut.
Look, he's drunk. Look, he acts like he's acting like he's drunk. You're getting too close. I have no lipstick on either. Look at that. Look at his eyes and stuff. Huh? You're too close. How come you're taking a video of the pictures of close?
Take the picture of the bird, not you.
I'm not saying that. You're just damn too close.
I'm done.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Baby. Where's the baby? 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 Cookie? Cookie? Do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Want to come out? Let me see it. Play it back. One out. Good.
Ugh.